Hey y'all, happy Saturday. I am at Urban Bird Hot Chicken. Never heard of this place, but it's somewhere new. And I'm with DeAndre and Coco. This is how your children treat you. I'm intruding on their date time. Wow. Let me just look at the menu. Yeah, but I'm sorry, I'm scared of big chicken. That means the chicken on steroids or something. I don't know what to get. Okay, I guess I'll get a tender basket. Because I don't know. But y'all, I love fries. They have street fries, nacho fries, mac fries, flaming hot Cheeto fries. Like, let me show y'all this menu. What are you getting, DeAndre? The TIE Fighter. Oh, baby, I'm gonna get that. Y'all, I'm gonna get the TIE Fighter. Listen, crinkle fries topped with country fried chicken and drizzled with maple sriracha sauce, house-made ranch dressing, and topped with grilled jalapenos and fresh cilantro. I've never been here before, but that sounds good to me. I want the TIE Fighter too. Which you switch out, dude?
For the fighter? Mm-hmm. I took off the jalapenos and I added bird sauce. Cheese.
What kind of cheese? I don't want that chicken and waffles. It's like, it's the melted or shredded cheese. I want the TIE Fighter as well, but I wanted to ask, can I get that maple sriracha sauce on the side? Because I don't know what that tastes like. And can I get a little cheese drizzled on it?
You're not getting a shake? No shakes?
No, I don't want a shake. That was good. I definitely need to come back with Tiki and Chloe. It was good. My first time here. I enjoyed it. The Thai fries. So now I'm on my way home, y'all. We had a nice Saturday outing. I guess this is the pre-Mother's Day. I'll take it. Pre-Mother's Day outing. That might be her photographer. We're about to take a picture.
It's in the trunk.
Thank you. Oh, yes. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I feel them drops coming.
Chloe. Anaya Hardy, AB honor roll. Sebastian Heredia, AB honor roll all year. Outstanding dance.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the vlog. Today is Thursday, May 22nd, and y'all, it's the second to last day of school. It's actually the senior walk for DeAndre. We are at his old elementary school, but not really his old elementary school because they have since built a new one. Once he, well, not graduated, but once he left, they had a new construction that Chloe attended.
I went to the old one and the new one.
She actually had the best of both worlds.
In second grade.
But and let me just show y'all how many seniors have shown up, and this is actually awesome. Oh, this is actually awesome. Go ahead. Because that means that these kids have done a great job all throughout these years of high school. All right, D-Hart. Yeah, I'm embarrassing him, but let me let y'all see. Y'all look at all of these kiddos, these high school seniors. There goes T. Look at me. Excuse me. Check him out.
Now what's that schedule?
Okay.
Look.
Oh, that's our
Do
first
you
grade.
remember what? Yes, you remember what you
Y'all
did?
look, this is DeAndre's
Yes,
first
you did the
grade
little
teacher.
one. Yes, you did. I got you.
Oh, there it is.
Ah, look at this girl. This artist girl. Get in here.
Oh, yeah, look. Wait a minute.
On your way.
Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, that's so sweet. D, let me see your picture. Oh, look at that. Act like you happy to be here.
Boys.
Seniors, look this way.
You better say it right now, cause you don't have another day. Cause we're moving on and we can't slow down.
Oh my goodness, y'all, look at them. This is so nice. Get over here. Look at him, don't want to participate in the group picture on the playground. Y'all, my boy will officially walk across the stage
I'm already
on
graduated,
Sunday.
but I'm gonna officially graduate, you feel me?
Yes. Y'all, Miss Stewart got him. She got him over here.
I'm good. I'm so happy to be officially graduating. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
The largest, the biggest, the largest. 30K on my wishes for hard time.
Hey y'all, happy Saturday. It is the day before graduation, and once again we are moving DeAndre in. We're currently looking for dollies, and I just found two. So I just wanted to open up, tell y'all hi. Look y'all. DeAndre's still walking around here, and I done found the dolly. He's still looking for it. So anyway, I know it's loud, so I'll check back in with y'all in the field. No, it's not. We're not even putting that out in the atmosphere.
They said you chilling with the family today. Is that true? Since you had plans tomorrow.
Who said that?
The people.
People said they was gonna fry you some chicken, some 3-day-old chicken. I'm not eating. I mean, I'll come by.
Oh, this girl. Y'all, I took some chicken out and put it in the I left it in the sink to thaw out Wednesday. No, it wasn't Wednesday. It was Thursday. It sat in the sink. I kept it in there till I got off work. and then Friday and today's Saturday. So I was still trying to cook the chicken, y'all. But I'm already scared of chicken, so I don't have a ramp. Are you sure? Look around that side right there. They have to have a ramp. Stuff has to be, oh, well, you know what? It's part of DEI. Well, that was made before this DEI rollback. So they might have wheelchair accessible. Okay, well, anyway, y'all, I was still trying to cook the chicken today. But then my mind just won't let me do it. So, yeah. Chicken went to the trash.
Come this way.
I just said this construction was made before DEI, before Trump got back in office. Because wheelchair, woo-hoo-hoo, look y'all. We have another one. We have another one. I told him put the TV on this one. He still want to pick the TV up and carry it in. But that's okay because I'm bringing it in. Hi, Coco. Y'all look at him. Baby, he been after this pizza, nasty looking pizza. And honey, look, he carrying it up the tree. He can't even bring it up the tree. You don't need it, buddy. Happy Sunday. It is graduation day. I just come from walking DeAndre downstairs. I had to anoint my baby. He's getting ready to drive to NRG. So yeah, I had to make sure he was covered, honey. I just wanted to say good morning and check in before we actually get to NRG. My voice is cracking, y'all, because the last week and a half of school, y'all know I'm the lunch lady. And whenever I'm cooking in front of the heat and having to go inside that freezer and that cooler and all, things happen. I don't know what quite happens, but it happened to me before. And so trying to get this voice back right. So anyway, I will see y'all later. Lord, my voice. Y'all, we've made it to the NRG. Represent GWURL.
By the power vested in me, I certify that the class of 2025 has met all the requirements of Texas Education Agency and the
DeAndre Jerron Hardiman Jr. Jasmine Michelle Payne. Saeed.
seniors, please rise. As 2025 graduates of North Shore Senior High School, you may now turn your tassels to the left side of your cap. Congratulations to the class of 2025.
Here he is, 2025 graduate. Stand back.
How are we feeling? Oh, you want me to take pictures with this one?
Yeah.
Come on, DeAndre.
Yes. We're going to Cheddar's.
Oh, yeah, I know you got the money. I know you got some money. I got a video of him on.
Not in here.
That chicken do look good though. Everybody know that.